Hi guys, and today it's me, and I'm now gonna unbox Iron Man. I think this is Iron Man 3 or Iron Man 4. I don't know which one, but I'm gonna be unboxing it today. So this is, and that's that. There's another set over here. And it's the real picture of Iron Man. So Iron Man's my first favorite, and my second favorite is Thor. So today we'll be unboxing this. Alright, now let me unbox it. Right, with the scissors. You can see him now. For a little bit, look. So his legs move, and his kind of his mouth or not his mouth. Like he can shake his head no, and he can shake his head yes. Watch. Oh, you can't probably really see it. That's right now. Da 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 da. Now let's see what this guy can do. Oh, I can't really do this. I can't really move this while you guys are watching, so. Now you can watch. So look. So he can move his arm this way. He's T-posing now. And he can do this. He can, and then he can do this. And what else can he do? He can do this. He can turn his arm around and around and around and around. Which way's the beach? That way. That way. And that's pretty much it for today.